Hey guys, welcome back to Alberto's Adventures. Today I'm going to show you guys the newly updated rooms here at the Wynn in Las Vegas. Alright, so this is the entrance. And this is room 722. Alright, so here at the entrance, we still have the room controls here, the privacy and all on and all off for the lighting. They did put in wallpaper. So it's pretty nice. It's on the ceiling, the walls, the flooring is the same here, I think. We have the huge full-length mirror. On the opposite side we have the closet, which we'll go into in a little bit, and the renovated restroom. So here we have the dual sinks still, but they're separate now. New sink, the magnified mirror. It's really nice. It's really cool because they have USB and regular power outlets here. So you have your sink, you have your soap there. It's really nice. Again, with that new wallpapering and the new furniture here. It's really, really nice. It's new artwork here. You have the tub. There's new fixtures as well. The tub on the shower door and a new shower head. So it's really nice. It's a really nice restroom. So now let's go into the closet space. Nice sized closet. It's a little extra storage. And hangers, your ironing board. And they have 2 luggage racks, so that's nice. So now let's go into the main room. Okay, so this is the closet space, and now into the main bedroom area. So it's a little bit of a darker palette here, but it's really nice. New furniture, the bed. Starting off to the side, you have some drawers here for extra storage for your clothing. They still are providing the masks, so that's nice. Trash can there. It's a nice big table here. A lamp. More charging ports here, USB and regular outlets there. And over there you have the telephone and the Alexa. There's new drapes. You have a nice new plush seating area, ottoman, a little table to place your drinks or whatever it is. And they've added a new and a second full-length mirror, which is really nice. On the opposite side we have the thermostat. This like wood paneling here. And the new little TV area. Huge television. Down here you have the minibar area with all your snacks. The refrigerator's down here. So that's nice. And your ice bucket here. And your glasses. So they're nice and secured inside. So you just pull them out from here. So that's cool. So there you can see the television can be pulled out and you can swivel it to face the bed. So that's really nice. And then here's the king size bed. You have a nice sitting bench here at the edge of the bed. Some new artwork. So that's nice. You have more charging USB ports and regular outlet. You have the hanging lamp there, so you have a bunch of space there now. Nice headboard. And here you have the telephone, television remote, and your little touchpad to control the different temperature, lights, etc., etc. Telephone. And again, a drawer for extra storage. And here on the side, you have your controls for your drapes and your shears, and again the lights to turn them all on, all off or low. Let's go ahead and open up the drapes and the shears and get a view of what we have here. This is on the back side of the wing, so it's on the 7th floor. Encore there. And then we have the pool area, which is nice. There's a new sphere that they're building. So it's an okay view, it's not bad. So there it is, guys, the new updated room. King bed here at the Wynn in Las Vegas. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe, like the video, share the video. If you have any questions, leave the comments down below. Again, thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.